Since tomorrow is the first day of spring, I chose this week's stamping collab theme. These are the beautiful manicures that were prepared, and at the end, as always, I'll have individual photos and you can find links to their videos in the description box of mine. Let's get started. As a base, I chose this gorgeous shy nail polish called Vanilla Latte. This is from her coffee collection. To stamp, I chose this beautiful EJIUBAS stamping plate EJB-X14. It has a lot of beautiful images, but I think the one I'm going to choose is this one up here with the little flowers. On the back, it has lots of beautiful butterflies and fairies, and it's really pretty. Let's remove the protective film. I'll use my green Beauty Big Bang stamping polish, which is number 3. I stamped the same image on all the nails. For the flowers, I'll use Maniology's red stamping polish called Fireside. I'll seal in the stamping with my Born Pretty No Smudge top coat. Here's the completed manicure. I love the way this one turned out. It's so cute and simple. I really enjoyed it, and I love that it's a layering image. Thank you to all the ladies that joined me in this fun collab, and thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye! Dolphin Chick Nails, Guyleen325, Ali's Blog, Judinka Nail Art, Patty's Polish Corner, Nerdy Creations, Mrs. K's Corner. Thanks again for joining me in this fun collab.